Welcome into the secret sauce. Today's secret sauce is a recipe for attracting more customers. And first, I need to share a key ingredient with you, your why. Right? I call it your reason. Your reasons must be bigger than your excuses. Simon Sinek once said, people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. So if you want to attract more customers, you have to start leading with your reason, not just sharing what or how you do it. The secret recipe is all about leading with passion, not just trying to hack your way into your customers' wallets with some trendy social media thing or the latest, I'm going to use quotes here, game changing strategies, right? And those are just spewed about. And yes, they're easy to sell one time. But the reality is, are you just selling a product or are you selling a purpose? Long term, lasting success, long term, loyal customers align with your purpose. Now, if you have ever struggled with pricing pressure, competing on price, customers not valuing your work, it might not be because of the quality or turnaround time. It's actually because they don't know your why. Now, be honest with yourself. Does your marketing and customer communication sound more like an outside in approach? And an outside in approach would be starting with what you do, then how you do it, and finally, why you do it. So let me give you a couple examples here. We print shirts. Our ink lasts a long time. Order today. Right? We have the best equipment, fastest turnaround, and lowest prices. We offer professional services. Our team is highly trained. Contact us today. We have great customer support. We respond quickly. Reach out anytime. On their surface, those all sound great, right? They sound very appealing and inviting. Great customer service, responding quickly, highly trained. But if you think about it, if you look deeply at those statements, they're all very transactional. And ultimately, it's going to lead to you competing on price because you've not built any loyalty with your customers. So the secret is to flip the script and create an inside out approach. Here's why. Right? We are regulated as humans by our emotions. We might think we have to try to control our emotions, but the reality is our emotions regulate us. And our thoughts originate in the limbic part of our brain, which really wants to know why, right? Because that's the emotional center. The limbic part of our brain is the emotional center of our brain. And ultimately, it wants to know why it's giving up some of our precious resources. Now, once you've told the limbic brain why, now you're motivated, right? Now you can move to the rational part of your brain. And that's when people would then want to know what and how. But until they decide why it's important, they don't care about the what and how. So an inside out approach, flipping the script to go why, how, then what, might sound more like this. We help brands tell their stories through custom apparel, right? That's our why. We want to help brands tell their story. We create shirts that celebrate moments, bringing teams together, right? We want to create something that celebrates a moment. That's our why. We believe great service should make your life easier. That's why we focus on reliability and expertise. Let us help you today, right? We believe this, so that's why we do it, because we believe this. Here's another we believe statement. We believe you should never feel stuck or unheard. That is why we prioritize fast, helpful support. How can we assist you today? All of those start with why. So if you agree that those sound like a delicious marketing dish, then here are 3 simple steps to a recipe that you can follow to flip the script. Number 1, you've got to find your why. You've got to be very clear about it. Why do you believe what you believe? What do you believe, right? Why did you start your business to begin with? Why do your customers love your work? Why do your customers love working with you? This is a massive part of what we do at our success group. So go ahead and message me to get support on finding your why, or you can go right down here and go to osg.link/SVP and get a complimentary business assessment to find out why. So number 1, find your why. Number 2, tell stories, right? Share behind the scenes, share customer success stories, and what makes your prints, what makes your products and service feel special. Tell those stories. People will remember stories more than any product description you ever share. So show why customers love working with you. Make your mission and your passion very clear in everything you do. A why driven message, it's going to be emotional, it's going to be memorable, and it's going to be valuable. People will understand the value that you create. And then third, align your pricing with your values. See, when you lead with your why, your pricing is going to be different. When you lead with your why, customers don't just compare the prices, they actually see the value in what you bring. So pricing should be the last part of any customer conversation, because if they don't see the value to begin with, it doesn't matter what your price is. They don't care. They don't want it. Or you can't even give it away. I've heard people tell me, I just can't even give it away. Well, people understand why you're doing it then, right? I experience that sometimes. So we got to get clearer on the why. Perfect. All right. So here, let me leave you with this last little bit here. Remember, when people connect with why you do what you do, they trust you, they're going to buy more, and they're going to keep coming back. So that is your secret sauce for today. What is your why? Can't wait to hear it.